whistles for the growler, and he says, my man, take me up the Mongol, 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 take me up the Mongol, Langaroo, to you. You see, the Dublin Fusiliers, the dirty old Fusiliers, they went and got the children, 1, 2, 3, march from the Lincoln Hall, the hunger if you can them all, I'm thinking all the send them all over the sea, but first go up the Mongol, 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 first go up the Mongol, Langaroo, to you. Now when the Tsar of Russia, and the King of Russia, landed in the Beano in a big bundle, they asked the policeman to pay the wearing of the green, but the banner is in the depot and didn't know they should, so they opened up the Mongol, 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 opened up the Mongol, Langaroo, to you. The Queen, she came to call us, come to see all of us, I'm glad she didn't follow us, she's 18 stone. Listen to me, Lord Mayor, says he, is this all you have to show to me? Why no man drink some Morrissey? Home, home, nanny, dunker up the Mongol, 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 dunker up the Mongol, Langaroo. Yes, he dunker up the Mongol, 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 dunker up the Mongol, Langaroo, to you. Oh yeah! Thank you so much, ladies and gents.
Therapist in the house.